Author point of view. Please don't me, please Jungkook. Jungkook, you choose to backstab me. How I leave you, Jamin? Jamin, I'm sorry. I was a blind in greediness. Jungkook, too late. I gave you enough money. Still you betray me. Jamin, I will give you your money back. Just leave me. He back in front of Jungkook. Jungkook, I have a lots of money. What I will do with your money? Jungkook, and I don't want the money now. Jamin, I'll give you anything you want. Jungkook's make anything. Jamin nodded his head vigorously. Hence prove life matter to every human being. Jungkook, then give me your sister. Jamin look up at him, stunned. Jamin, what? My sister. Jungkook, yes, your sister. Jamin, no, I cannot give her to you. He done it, but Jungkook, okay, then get ready to root in. Saying this, Jungkook get up from the chair and pulling the trigger, ready to him. Jamin, you can take her. Jungkook put the down with a devilish smirk on his Greek god handsome face. Jamin rushed to his home, and as soon as he entered in, his wife hugged him. Are you okay? Jamin, yeah, I'm fine. Where is Van? Yuna, in her room. What happened? Jamin was going to speak, but Van, Oppa, what happened to you? Van rushed to him and saw him bruised. Jamin, my boss tried to me, tearing up. Van, what? But why? Jamin, he is a mafia, and mafia doesn't need reason to innocent lives. Now what we will do? Jamin, he won't see Van. Van whole got numb. Jamin, I was so scared that I agreed to solve you. Fake crying. He started to shed more fake tears like a Van crying. Don't worry, Oppa. You raised me from the childhood, and now it's my turn to do something for you. Jamin, I'm sorry, Van. Because of your brother, you got in trouble. Van, it's okay, Oppa. Van hugged him, but Jamin looked at his wife, smirking, who thumbs up him. One point of view, I was sitting in the back seat of the car. Soon the car stopped in front of the giant gate. One man in black suit come in my side and opened the door for me. I get out from the car and they lead me inside the huge mansion. I was scared but I cannot do anything. Jeon Jungkook, only the thought of that man scared me to the core. And now I am here. Thanks to my brother. Because of him I am here. My life was in my brother home. They always saw me as a burden. Jungkook, welcome to Jian Empire, Miss Kim Wan. Here he was standing in black tailored suit, looking lavishly handsome. Wan, I know, no need to remind me. Jungkook, Smith, you need to control your tongue, Miss Kim Wan. He said, coming towards me, but I didn't back off because his man is everywhere. Here, there is no way of running. Van, and what will you do if I will not? I challenge him, looking straight into his eyes. Because I don't fear from the not now. His jokeless. Oh, someone does not like disobedience. Interesting. Jungkook, you really does not care about your life, do you? He grabbed my chin harshly. Our breath were fanning on each other, but we both didn't break the eye contact. I survived in the from the day my parents passed away. So if you will even me today, I don't have any problem. One, no, I don't. Jungkook chuckled. Interesting. It will be fun to play with you, sweetie. Saying this, he leaves my chin and went out from the mansion. One point of view. It's been 1 week since I'm here, but Jungkook, I didn't saw him from that day. There were gossips that he went on a mission. I was so bored staying in the room. Yeah, he gave me one room for myself. I got up and go to the kitchen to cook something for eating. But I spot the old woman in the kitchen making the food. I stand there awkwardly. Other days no one seen in the kitchen, but today the scene is different. She turned around and smiled at me. Ajuma, come here, child. I smile slowly and go towards her. Ajuma, are you hungry? I nodded and she gives me sweet smile. Ajuma, just wait a little bit. The food is almost ready. Wan, okay, can I help you if you want? Ajuma smiled. Do you know cooking? She asked me. Wan, a little bit. I said, feeling embarrassed. Ajuma, no problem, dear. I will teach you. But what is your name? Wan, Kim Wan. Ajuma smiled. Your name is cute, just like you. Wan, shy. Thank you. We both started to do the rest of the work together. Ajuma was telling me how to do it, and it turned out to be easy. Time skip. The front door opened. Ajuma, I think Jungkook came home. My heart skipped a bit at the mention of his name. Ajuma, Wan, go and arrange the food on the table. I nodded. I arranged the food on the dining table, then come back to the Ajuma. Ajuma, now go and serve him. I looked down at my apron, a little dirty from cooking. My hair was messy. I wiped my hand nervously. Ajuma, go. Don't be scared. Before I could say something to Ajuma, the kitchen door opened. Jungkook walked in all dressed in black, eyes sharp like an eagle. His eyes landed on me, then on Ajuma. Jungkook, what's going here? And what is this? Ajuma grinning. We are making a dinner and you go and sit down. He didn't argue with Ajuma and sit on the dining table like an obedient kid. Ajuma nudged my arm, telling me to serve him. I nodded to her. I go towards him and serve the food to him quietly, but his gaze was on me, cold like ice. But my hand accidentally touched his hand, which were on the table. Jungkook, are you trying to impress me? I blinked, taken back by his words. My face turned red. I was not even trying to impress him. I just wanted to help. One, what impressed? Jungkook, don't try to act innocent now. Wine gritting teeth. Don't be that much of full of yourself, Mr. John Jungkook. Jungkook, I know you and your every move. I scoffed and went to the room, not replying to his false allegations. Author point of view. Wine muttering, huh? What he think about himself? Wine, just because he is handsome, so every girl going to fall for him. Wine said to herself while covering herself with a blanket. Seconds later, the blanket snatched from the van who the Jungkook was standing in front of her, beside her bed. Van, what you want now? Van asked, glaring him. Jungkook, get up and eat your dinner. Van, I'm not hungry right now. Jungkook, who is asking you? Van, please, just get out from here. I want to sleep. Jungkook, wow, what a braveness. Giving an order to your boss. Van, I'm not giving you order. It's just I'm not hungry. Jungkook, don't try to test my patience, Van, he said, grabbing a Van's chin harshly. His hold was a film. Because of that, Van's cheeks started to bend. Tears started to fall down from her black doe eyes. Jungkook, you should understand one thing, Van, that when I say something, you need to follow it. Van crying, you cannot control me just because you balked me. Jungkook, shock lens, I can control you. You are my property. From the moment you were sold to me, Jungkook, and you have to follow my every order. One, I am a human, not a pet. Your pet, Jeon Jungkook. Jungkook, if you are a human, then act like one and eat the food. One fiercely, I will not eat. Got it? Jungkook growled, I think I need to put some manner in you because of your continuous disobedience. He stormed out from the room, giving a last glare to Van. A few minutes later, Jungkook came back with a plate full of food and closed the door by his one leg. Jungkook smirked, I think I have to use my own way to feed you. Van, what are you going to do? Jungkook placed the food on the table that was beside the bed and take a spoonful of fried rice with kimchi. Jungkook, now open your mouth, he said, bringing the spoon close to Van's mouth. Van, I will not. Van turned her face to the other side. Jungkook, Van, I don't like to repeat myself. Van, and I also. Jungkook took a deep breath to control his anger. No one in his entire life disobey him. Everyone bow in front of him. But here, this little girl was running her tongue like a Caesar. Jungkook, I am done playing with you softly. Saying this, he held Wan's chin and turned her to face him. Wan was trying to free herself from the grip, but Jungkook showed. the food in her mouth. Van tried to fight, but the delicious taste of the food made her halt. Van started to cry because she was tired from the fighting and she was also hungry, but cannot let her pride down in front of the Van crying, I hate you so much. Jungkook, I know. He again shows spoonful food, not leaving her chin. Jungkook keeps feeding her until the plates become empty, while the tears trickling from the Van's eyes. She was wiping it from her hands while eating. For a moment, Jungkook seeing Van like this, Jungkook softened. I softened before he immediately masked it with a coldness. Jungkook, from now on, don't disobey me. Got it? He said, circling his hand around Van's shoulder, making the daring eye contact. Van's heart was beating like a drum in her chest because of the closeness. Van, oh okay, Jungkook's me, good girl. And if you will not eat the food next time, then I also have other way to feed you. Saying this, Jungkook went outside from the room. Van mumbling, Mafia. Next day afternoon, Van, I thought that he will not make me do the works, but I was wrong. I was having the vacation till he was on a mission. Now he's back, so I'm doing the work right now. Author point of view, Van was tired working from the morning. First she folded his own clothes neatly and then she cleaned his bedroom. Van, I want to that Jion the coconut head, Jungkook. Van was talking to herself while cleaning the mirror, but then she saw the reflection of Jungkook in the mirror. She turned back to see Jungkook was standing there, raising his eyebrow, hands in pocket, poking his tongue in his cheek. Jungkook, you want to, Miss Sweetie? He walked towards her, and first time Vine took her steps back. But Jungkook held her waist and bring her close to him. Now they both are with each other. Jungkook, answer me, he demanded, tucking a loose strand of hair behind her ear. She would run down to her spine because of the way Jungkook's finger touched her soft and warm skin. Van, I was the little escape from Van mouth when Jungkook her more into him. Jungkook, you love it? What I did just right now? Jungkook asked teasingly. Van, no. Jungkook chuckled and leaned in, whispering in her ear. Jungkook Smith, such a bad liar. But tell me, you want to me? Van, I didn't mean anything. Voice barely a whisper. Jungkook tightened his hold, dragging her against him. Jungkook, you like my on you? Van's words stuck in her throat, parted her, betray her when Jungkook slid his hand little down. Jungkook slowly leaned and placed his on her cheeks, then on the other cheeks. He started to peck her whole face, then her forehead. Van closed her eyes, surrendering to him. It was like she got hypnotized by his. Jungkook kept her jaw, eyelids, nose, breath, taking his time to explore her like she is the most precious thing. After some time later, Jungkook stopped her. Van slowly opened her eyes and then realization hit her. She let him her and she enjoyed it. Jungkook was looking at her, trying to read her mind. But Van, what just happened? Jungkook, Van, listen to me. She backed off from him, not letting him her. Van, it should not had to happen. Me and you. Jungkook was going to speak, but Van ran away from there. Jungkook, what I did. He grabbed his hair in frustration. Oh, so she's Van. Van just come from her room and saw Jungkook sitting with a girl on a couch. Close. Jungkook, yeah, Yaji, she's Van. Van thought, why they are talking about me? They both were talking, but the strange thing was that Jungkook was laughing. Van never saw him laughing, and here he's laughing with that girl. Van don't know why, but seeing a Jungkook close with Yeji, her heart stung. A deep, sharp pain pierced inside her. She never thought seeing a Jungkook with another girl can hurt this much, but it did. Van looked away, hiding her hurt face, and started to walk in the kitchen. But Van point of view, Jungkook, Wan bring the juice from the kitchen for us. He gave me order and again started to talk with that Yeji Namkal. I bring the orange juice for them. Yeji, thank you. I give her tight smile because I cannot throw the juice on her face. I was going to walk towards the upstairs when Jungkook grabbed my hand. Jungkook, sit here, Van. My back was facing him. I sigh and sit beside him. There is no use of fighting. Yeji, so Van, are you a college student? I nodded. Yeji, I am Jungkook's close friend, she said and suddenly placed a peck on Jungkook's cheeks. I stand up immediately, my fist clenched at my side. Van, excuse me, I practically ran upstairs before they could say something. Author point of view. Van was sitting on the bed. Yeji, Jungkook kept flashing in her mind. Her felt heavy the way Jungkook didn't even stop her nor he move. A knock on the door grabbed Van's attention, but she didn't reply. 2 seconds later, the door opened slowly. Jungkook, sweetie, Van shouted, don't call me by that name when you don't mean it. Jungkook, Van, look, listen to me once. Van, you, me like I was something to you and then you let another girl to you. I was so stupid, Jungkook. Don't listen to me, please. Van, no, go away. Tears started to fall from Van's eyes, which broke Jungkook's heart into pieces. Jungkook engulfed her in his, while Van kept shouting and pushing him away. He lifted her and sit on the edge of the bed with the Van on his. Van did not stop crying and punching him with her fist. Jungkook sit there, letting her do whatever she wanted. Sometimes later, the room felt silent. Jungkook looked down and saw Van sleeping. He carefully put her on the bed and covered her properly with a duvet. Jungkook, I'm sorry, my. He placed the gentle peck on her forehead and left the room. Time skip. Van woke up from the sleep and sit on the bed. More tears started to fall from her eyes, thinking about her life. Point of view. First, mom and dad left me alone in the world, and then my own brother treated me as a burden, giving me the food barely 3 times in a day, and then sold me to the mafia to save his fraud. I know everything how much my brother is involved in the bad works. I thought that me and Jungkook have something, but he also proved me wrong. When crying, no one cares about me nor loves me. Author point of view, Van wiped her tears and go downstairs to drink the water. But as soon as she reached the downstairs, the front door opened and the Ajuma entered in with a young man behind her. Ajuma, Van, my child. Ajuma go towards the van and gave her a motherly hug. Ajuma, are you okay, dear? Did Jungkook said something to you? Tell me, she asked, breaking the hug. Wan smiled. No, Ajuma, he didn't say anything. Ajuma nodded. Wan's eyes fell on a young man who is standing with Ajuma. Ajuma, Jin, this is Wan, and Wan, this is Seok Jin, my son. Wan bowed in respect. Jin returned the same gesture. Jin, hi, I am Seok Jin. You can call me Jin, and I am the older brother of Jungkook. Wan shocked. You are a brother of Jungkook? Achuma, yes, Jungkook is my son and Jin is my older son and I have a little daughter. Achuma looked behind at the door. Achuma, she is here. Wan looked at the door and her eyes widened, seeing the Yeji. Yeji, hello Wan, nice to meet you. Yeji said with a nervous smile. Wan thought Yeji is Jungkook's sister, Azuma. Now you all talk with each other and let me make the lunch for you all. Azuma went in the kitchen. Jin, Wan, can we talk about something for a few minutes in your room? Wan nodded. As soon as they entered in the room, Yeji immediately closed the door, making Wan shocked and confused at the same time. Yeji, Wan, listen to me. I'm sorry, I'm Jungkook's sister, and that back was my stupidity. Wan confused. What are you saying? Jane, Wan, let her finish. I bring her here so you can know the truth. Wan nodded and indicated Yeji to speak further. Yeji, I am Jungkook's little sister and he is my brother, okay? And that pack was My part of the plan, which me and Jungkook met to jealous you. Wan angry. But why you both did that to me, Yachi? Because Jungkook thought you were holding your feelings for him, and he wanted to know that you feel something for him or not. Wan, so hurting me was the only way to make me confess. Yachi, no one, we just wanted to make you little jealous, but then I used my extra pen and pecked Jungkook Oppa's cheek, which was not the part of the plan. And when you went to the room, Jungkook Oppa scolded me for my stupidity. He had no intention to hurt you, Wan. Jin, Wan Jungkook does not know how to confess his feelings, and you are the first woman he fell in love. Wan Jungkook loves me. Jin nodded. Yeji, Wan, please forgive me, and please don't tell about this to Yoma, otherwise she will throw me out of the house. Wan smiled. Okay, I will not tell her. Jin, Wan, I'm sorry. Because of my moron brother and sister, you hurt yourself. Wan, I forgive them. Yachi, thank you, Anne. You are so sweet. Jungkook Oppa gave you right nickname, sweetie. Yachi hugged Wan tightly. Wan cheeks heat up thinking about Jungkook. Jin, Yachi, don't tease her. Jin said, seeing Wan shy. Achuma, Wan, Jin, Yachi, lunch is ready. Come downstairs. Jin, let's go. They went downstairs. Time skip. Azuma, Jane, and Yechi left after spending a time with Van. They all were so sweet and loving towards the Van. Right now, Van was lying on her bed thinking about Jungkook. A small smile appeared on Van's, thinking about the day when Jungkook pecked her whole face lovingly. But she come out from her thoughts when she hear a car horn. Means Jungkook is home. Van immediately go downstairs. Van saw Jungkook entering in with a flowers bouquet in his hands. He stopped walking when he saw you in front of him. Jungkook, Van, he approached to you and gave you flowers. Van, for what? Jungkook, I'm sorry for morning. Yeji is my. Van cut him off. Van, Yeji is your sister. Jungkook, how do you know? Van, she tells me everything. Jungkook, I'm sorry. Looking down. Van, I never knew Mafia boss would be that much scared to confess his feelings. Jungkook, you are ignoring me from the day that day when you. I was so scared to lose you, sulking. Van laughed and hugged him, making him so shocked. Van, you are a cutest mafia. Van pecked Jungkook whole face, not breaking the hug, while giggle escaped from Jungkook. Jungkook, just for you, doll. Bunny smiled. Van, so say now. Jungkook teasing. What? Huh? Van rolling eyes. Don't tease me, Jion. Jungkook, I love you. Van blushing. I love you too. As soon as Van said, Jungkook smashed his on her. Van him back with the same passion as Jungkook. Jungkook lifted her and made her lay on the nearby couch and over her. After a passionate, they leave each other. Jungkook, I'm so happy today, he said, snuggling into Van. Van kissed his head. They both lay there in peaceful silence. Van, Achuma is your mother? Van spoke, breaking the silence. Jungkook looked up at her and replied her. Jungkook, she is my mother, but not a biological mother. Van, what? Jungkook, when I was 5, my parents passed away in car accident. From that day, she raised me. She was the best friend of my mother. Van and Jin and Yeji, Jungkook, they both are her own child, but she loves us equally. Jungkook, they loves me like their own brother and son. They never made me feel like I'm outsider. Van, they loves you so much. Jungkook smile. Yeah, they does. Jungkook, Van said smile. And my own brother treated me as a trash, a lone tear fall. Jungkook wiped her tear and placed a pack on her eyes. Jungkook, now I am here, my love. I will love you so much. One smile, Jungkook, and you know, there is my 5 friend who eagerly wanted to meet you. One, really? Jungkook, yeah, we will meet with them tomorrow. Wan, I will love to meet with them. Jungkook nodded with a smile. Wan, by the way, Jamin Oppa still work in your company. Jungkook, yeah, I forget to tell you. Jamin and Yuna both leave this country and I don't know in which country they went. Vansko, that's good. I don't want to meet with them either. Jungkook, okay, my doll. Jungkook hug her and Van hug him back. Jungkook smirk. They didn't leave the country. They leave this world. When you step in my mansion, doll. Jungkook thought with a dark smile.